Mapeguard UM35, the ideal solution to guarantee sound installation of flooring on problematic substrates. The uncoupling anti-fracture and waterproofing membrane by Mapei. May be used for interior and exterior surroundings. Enables flooring to be installed on cracked substrates and poorly cured substrates without respecting the position of separation or expansion joints in substrates. Its waterproofing function makes it ideal for balconies, terraces and bathrooms. Protects substrates from water infiltrations and improves the durability of flooring. The Profil Pass range of profiles completes the system when used on terraces and balconies. Easy to cut with a utility knife directly on site and then bond with minimum class C2 Mapei adhesives. The fabric backing ensures good wetting of the membrane to ensure a highly effective bond. Semi-transparent to make it easier to identify the position of any through elements in the substrate. Membrane system with a thickness of just a few millimeters. Mapeguard UM35 uncoupling, anti-fracture and waterproofing membrane by Mapei. Find out more at mapei.com.